Alright, this is Jeremy, and we're doing the rope dig.
Introduce yourself.
Max. Alright, we're gonna run through the house, and he's probably gonna try to bite me.
Sick him! Oh! Let him hang on it.
Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh.
Swing him.
Oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh man. Ah. Oh.
Alright, that's enough doggy molesting.
Oh, dude. Look at this. Look at this.
That's gross.
Oh.
Dude.